Hi, good morning, students. How are you? Welcome to another period of English. Okay, so in previous period, dear students, I hope you have read the story of the fisherman and the genie at home and you have enjoyed it properly, isn't it? Okay, so now when we come to know the story of the fisherman and the genie, how the weak genie tried to kill the fisherman and the smart clever fisherman, how it again put it down, kept and shut down it into the jar very smartly and threw it into the water, sea water. So let's see the story of fisherman and genie. Today we are going to talk about understanding what we read. So please open page number 16. Okay, so have you opened page number 16? All right. Now dear students, here we have to do this activity orally. So you have to take the answers with pencil into this textbook. So please keep your textbook open and keep with you your pencil. Okay, all right. So I am reading and just tell me. We are going to take the best option. So here A, tick correct, tick right the best answer. So first is, how many times did the fisherman throw his net into the sea? How many times did the fisherman throw his net into the sea? The option first is, he kept throwing it into the sea till he got enough fish. Number B, he threw it into the sea 4 times. Or the option C, he kept his promise and threw the net into the sea only 4 times. So what is the correct answer, dear students? A, B or C? Yes, correct. The option C is correct. So as we have read and we knew that the fisherman kept his promise. Okay, he made a promise with himself that daily he used to say throw the net into the sea only 4 times. Okay, so the option C is correct. Okay, let's move to the next. Number 2, why was it difficult for the fisherman to pull out the net the first time? So when the fisherman put his net through his net first time, so it was very difficult to pull out, because it was, why is the reason? The A option is, the net was very heavy as it had the dead body of a donkey in it. Option B, the net was very heavy. Or the option is, the net had a dead donkey in it. Okay, so what was the reason? So the option A is the correct option. Why it is difficult for the fisherman to pull out the net the first time? फिशरमैन को नेट बाहर निकालने के लिए क्यों तकलीफ जा रही थी? बिकॉज द फर्स्ट ऑप्शन ए इज करेक्ट. व्हाई? बिकॉज द नेट वॉज वेरी हेवी एज इट हैड. नेट बहुत ही हेवी थी. क्यों? क्योंकि इट हैड द डेड बॉडी ऑफ ए डोंकी इन इट. क्योंकि उसमें एक गधे की डेड बॉडी थी, इसलिए वो हेवी नेट थी. ओके, सो द ऑप्शन ए इज करेक्ट. नाउ मूव टू द नेक्स्ट. नंबर 3, what was in the net the third time the fisherman pulled it up? तीसरी बार जब फिशरमैन ने नेट को बाहर निकाला तो उस नेट में क्या था? द फर्स्ट ऑप्शन ए, अ बैग ऑफ गार्बेज. बी, शेल्स एंड स्टोन्स. सी, द डेड बॉडी ऑफ ए डोंकी. सो the correct option is, when the third time the fisherman pulled it up, it was totally filled with a bag of Garbage. Totally garbage was there. So the option A is correct. Okay. Now let's move to the next page. Page number 17. Question number 4. Why was the fisherman a little happier when the net came up for the 4th time? Why was the fisherman a little happier when the net came up for the 4th time? जब 4th time net आई बाहर निकाला तो वो थोड़ा सा खुश क्यों था? Why? The reason, the options are A. Because he found a copper jar in the net. B. It had an expensive copper jar in it. Or C. He would be able to sell the copper jar in the net and get some money. So the correct option is that at the 4th time he got a copper jar and he was little bit happier because he would be able to sell the copper jar and get some money. So the option C is correct. Okay. So dear students, I hope you have understood all the answers and you have ticked down all the answers correctly into your book. Okay. Now let's move to the next question, that is on page number 17, B. Match the following. So in column A, some statements are given and their reason are given in the next column. Okay, so let's see how to use it. Now in this match the following, we have some statements. Okay, and in the another part we have there why helps us to know why something happens. Okay, so whatever happens, this is the expression, and why these expressions or why these things happen, the reason is given in the another column, and we have to join with the correct expression with the correct reason with because. So dear students, because is used to link the parts of sentence and help us to know why something happens. Okay, to tell us reason we use this because. Okay, now let's see the correct expression with the correct reason. So number 1, the fisherman felt better. The fisherman felt better. So what is the correct option? Why the fisherman felt better? Because option A, the genie called him a king. Yes, the fisherman felt better because the genie called him a king. So the option A is correct. So we can make like this. Okay, the option A is. So how will you write? Into your notebook you have to mention it like this: the fisherman felt better because the genie called him a king. Now let's see number 2. What is the correct answer? The genie had been shut up in the jar. The genie had been shut up in the jar because genie jar में क्यों बंद हुआ था? Because the correct option is because he had disobeyed the king. Because he had disobeyed the king means क्योंकि उसने राजा की बात नहीं मानी थी. So dear students, when we disobey something or somebody, then we got punishment. So please do not disobey. We have to be disciplined. We should have to be obedient student. Okay, हमें हमेशा बड़ों की बात माननी चाहिए. So the genie was angry. Number 3, the genie was angry because why the genie was angry? Because he went into the jar? No. Because he wanted to shut him in there again? No. He was angry because the genie was angry because he had been shut up in the jar for 300 years. Yes, the option E is correct. Okay, the genie was angry because he had been shut up in the jar for 300 years. So option E is correct. So you have to write it into your notebook like this: the genie was angry because he had been shut up in the jar for 300 years. Okay, now number 4. The fisherman wanted the genie to go into the jar. The fisherman wanted the genie to go into the jar. Why? Because he wanted to shut him in there again. Because the fisherman wanted to shut the genie in there again in the jar. So option is C. Okay. But dear students, you should not do or show this arrow into your notebook. You have to complete the sentence with because. Because is used to links the part of a sentence and it tells us about the reason why something happens. Okay. Number 5. We can call the genie foolish. हम जीनी को मूर्ख कह सकते. क्यों? किस बात से? Because, क्योंकि, what is the reason? Because he went into the jar. Because he went into the jar. So last 5th, the option, the correct answer is. So in this way we have to do it into our textbook first, and then in our notebook we have to complete the statement using because. Because tells us about the reason why something happens. Okay, so have you understood, dear students? I hope you have understood it well. Okay, so please read at your home, learn well and study well. Okay, I will send you the copy of answer sheet also. Okay, thank you and have a good day.